Alright, it's cold outside, but here's the Christmas vlog on Uncle Chris.
Hey, Uncle Chris, what are you doing today?
Hey, nieces and nephews, I'm back. I want to tell you two things. We're going to have a little bit of discussion about me being in the hospital and what's going on with me. So, we'll get right to that. I have a condition right now, probably brought on by my weight. It's causing the lower ventricle of my heart not to relax and fill back up with blood quick enough. So we're going to get to the bottom of that. There also might be a blockage. They're going to check and find out. But no, I'm not having heart failure as of yet, no. But I'm okay. And thank you, everybody who wrote into me and said prayers for me. Oh, thank you so much. That meant the world to me. And to Jay, too. So now, besides all that, let's get on to a happy note. Now, I've showed you how you make your collard greens in the crock pot, but suppose you don't have one. And people say, well, how do you make it just regular on the stove? Well, I'm going to show you how you do that right now, okay? We're going to cut to a clip of me just showing you I cleaned my greens and put the water in. We'll do that right now. The first thing I did, nieces and nephews, was to clean my collard greens, okay? As you see, I took out the stalk part. Nobody wants to eat this part. Now, here's the thing. You can eat these. If you chop them up real thin, you can add them to your greens, and they will taste just as good. I prefer not to. It's a lot of work. I don't feel like it right now. I just got to the hospital, as you know, so I'm being lazy. But I'm showing you how you do it. You take this out so your greens will be nice and tender. Now, the next step, I'm going to put some water in the pot and just fill it up enough to cover the greens nicely. Then I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients, okay? All right. Okay. You saw that part of how I clean the greens and put the water in it, all right? Now, what we're going to do is put everything else in. I have chopped up one large onion because I got a lot of greens here, okay? I'm just going to put that in. Yes, my hands are impeccably clean. I have some smoked turkey meat. Now, we're going to be a little more healthy because Uncle Chris got to lose some weight. So Uncle Chris is going to stay around for y'all, all right? So in goes your turkey meat. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get me a spatula over here. I got Mike as my cameraman. I am moving a bit easier, y'all. Now come, take a look at this. I'm going to push this down in here, okay? I'm going to take my green seasoning. If I can get the packet open. Ooh. I'm going to sprinkle that around. All right. Ooh, that smells good. I'm going to work that down. Now, all this is going to cook down. These greens are going to cook down to probably half the size. But it'll be plenty of meat in them and some nice onion. Oh, this will be delicious. It'll be a wonderful, healthy side because I am not adding any salt. And I'm using the turkey meat. So the fat content is going to be, much lower. That's how I knock things out of my cabinet. All right.
So how long do they take to be cooked?
Oh, now, okay. Because it's on the stovetop, nieces and nephews. These are going to take 3 to 4 hours to cook down.
Serious?
Yes. Because greens are tough, and greens gotta cook.
I like my greens al dente.
Oh, I like them done. I gotta admit, I like them done.
But then again, I like all my vegetables al dente.
Now, vegetables, yes. So I'm putting in some salt-free seasoning, all right? Oh, yes. Some nice salt-free. In fact, I'm going to sprinkle a good 2 tablespoons of it in here. Okay? Now, I am going to put... I got to get me some sugar and put in here. Because when you're doing greens... Hold on. Let me go over here. When you cook it with greens, they can be bitter. So I say put a couple tablespoons of sugar in here if you are not diabetic. All right? Okay, I have a big pot. stir your stuff around. Put it on a higher heat to get it up to a boil. Then turn it down to medium and cook for 4 hours. Now you may have to add some more water to this, or you could use chicken stock. But either way, it's okay. They did original Southern greens with water. And all these greens I have, as you know, came from the food pantry, okay? Now very soon, I'm going to have just a talk Q&A, so you all can ask me any questions you want to. And all my newbies, I want you to come on and ask me some questions. Ooh, and I'm hoping, I'm praying that Mama Bird and I can do a collaboration. I'm going to see how we do that, but she lives in Montana. But it's so beautiful there. Maybe I can bring her here, or I could go there. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I definitely want some of her canned goods. Mama Bird, that canned jam you got? Mm-hmm. Come on now. You know the Southern blood in me wants some. Okay. Now, take a look at this. Can you imagine when this is done how good this is going to be? Now, I promise, we are going to finish that gingerbread man for the outside decorations. And we'll show you how the front of the house looks. It came out really nice. But that giant lollipop, oh, you got to watch my video on that. Hello, Shy. Oh, my goodness. I tell you. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? If you want more details about this dish, just give me a call. All right? I'm going to show you at the end of the video how they came out. All right? All right.